saddest truths I know arrive when life is hushed.
DC's rolling steady, always clever to the extreme. We monitor the roadway, catching every wild move people throw our way. Speed up some. Yeah. Gas it, gas it. All right, stop. Green when our day's begun. Peel back the layers one by one. Taste the rhythm, life's undone. Spots appear, I know you're right. Twist and shout in morning light. Bananas got me feeling right. Grooving in the moonlit night. Banana blues, banana dreams. Twisting in the mellow beans. Banana soul, banana.
Echo wasn't connected to an outside network, but Echo was trained with every web page available on the internet.
And boom, there, I just got passed on the shoulder. I'm doing 55. He must be doing probably 75 on the shoulder. And that work truck turned his lights on, trying to scare the guy or girl, whoever. Do not. 25% speed. Look at all the salt and dirt and all he was kicking up. He didn't use his turn signal, though. That's a good thing, I guess. Didn't use the turn signal.
First exit on the right.
Other hit piece, and they say documents show how far Project Veritas deceptive reporting tactics can go before running afoul of the federal law. What a way to word that. Documents show how far they can go before running afoul. Do you know another way to say that? We checked with lawyers to make sure everything we did was legal. But do you see how they worded it?
I know, I read the same article.
They use language in a manipulative. They use innuendo and supposition to make some. It's almost like you have to twist it. You have to put it through a filter to understand what they're actually reporting.
Do you regret not moving Veritas out of New York?
Listen, this is an issue that divides a lot of people that work for me, and I am very conflicted about it, Charlie, because I'm from the Hudson Valley. I'm from
I was from Chicago and got out for this exact reason.
I know, but and there's something to be said for getting out. But I just want to give you both sides. I'm not a person who runs away from the fight. I'm not a person who backs down, cows down, runs away, because maybe I reject the premise that this country is headed to a place where that's what we must do, and that's where I'm from.
I hear you. It's just it puts you in a whole different legal world. You know that.
I understand.